Want to say how you feel in German? Today you learned 8 words for feelings and personality. Stay to the end for a full recap. For a good day,
Glücklich.
it means happy.
Ich bin heute glücklich.
For a rough day,
Traurig.
it means sad.
Er ist manchmal traurig.
After a long day,
Müde.
it means tired.
Ich bin sehr müde.
For a lovely person,
Nett.
it means nice, kind.
Sie ist sehr nett.
For the funny one,
Lustig.
it means funny.
Mein Freund ist lustig.
When you're upset,
Böse.
it means angry.
Bist du böse auf mich?
Before a big moment,
Nervös.
it means nervous.
Ich bin nervös vor dem Test.
Nice and calm,
Ruhig.
it means calm.
Bleib ruhig und atme.
Let's recap the 8 feeling words from today.
Glücklich, traurig, müde, nett, lustig, böse, nervös, ruhig.
Subscribe for a German lesson every day. Next video asking how someone feels in German.